Hello everybody! My previous video was the last one in the face anatomy series, where I talked about each muscle individually and showed exercise for each of them. And today I want to show you a complex for all groups of muscle, and picked main exercises where you don't need to apply any face cream or oil, or use any extra tools. So let's start off and enjoy the process. Starting off with the trapezius muscles massage. Work through the muscles in deep, softening motions. After that, with the opposite hand, grab a fold of tissue in the area of the trapezius muscle and roll this fold upwards. After that, stretch out the trapezius muscle with the following exercise. Hug yourself by the shoulders, drop your shoulders down and feel how the muscle is stretching. In order to increase the effect, you can bend your neck side to side. Now, to work on the neck muscles, bend your neck side to side. And then stay in this position for 20 seconds, feeling how the side muscles of your neck are stretching. Now turn your head side to side. Every time you turn, try to look behind your shoulder. Now move on to the platysma. Place your hands in the area of your collarbones, pulling the skin down. Lift your chin up and move your lower jaw out by 1 centimeter, feeling how your platysma is stretching. Do 10 to 15 repetitions. After that, work on the side of your platysma. Keep the same position of your hands, bend your neck to the side and try to make sure that the corner of your lower jaw is facing upwards. Bend your neck even more, feeling how the platysma is stretching. Repeat it 10 times, switch your hands, and do it on the other side. The corner of your lower jaw should be facing upwards, feeling how the side muscles of your neck are stretching out. Moving on to the massage of the back side of your head. Massage the back side of your head, slowly moving upwards. Move upwards, slowly switching to the scalp massage, moving the skin in all different directions. Move around your head, moving the scalp in all different directions. After that, move on to softening places of forehead muscle attachment. Along the hairline, move the skin, giving it a good massage. And move on to the forehead muscle. We are going to soften the forehead muscle by sticking your fingers to the forehead and moving the skin in all different directions. Now move on to elongating of your forehead muscle. Tap your fingers deep into the skin and slowly move them downwards. And after that, move back upwards as slowly as you did moving downwards. And repeat it twice. In order to keep your forehead muscle in a good shape and to prevent formation of wrinkles while raising your eyebrows, do the following exercise. Tap your fingers along the hairline, slowly move them down. Stop right above the eyebrow ridges and lift your eyebrows 5 times. With your fingers, keep your skin from horizontal wrinkles formation and repeat it 3 times. After that, loosen the muscles with gentle motions. Now, place your fingers between your eyebrows and rub this area in order to loosen the muscles. Continue with this exercise between 30 and 60 seconds. After that, change the position of your fingers and rub the area towards the eyebrows in order to loosen the muscles. Continue with this exercise for 30 to 60 seconds. For the next exercise, place your thumbs on your temples and your pointing fingers between your eyebrows so that they form a hook, and with a good pressure, slide your fingers apart. An exercise to open up your eyes. Lift your eyebrow and with tapping motions, Go through the area under your eyebrow. The next exercise is going to loosen the outer corner of your eye. Put your fingers next to the corner of your eyebrow, lifting the skin up as much as possible. And with the fingers of the other hand, in tapping motions, work along the outer corner of your eye. Now move on to strengthening of the circular eye muscle, and especially the upper eyelid. Place your pointing fingers along the lash line and try opening your eyes. You should do 20 repetitions. Now move on to softening of the temple muscles. Place base of your palms on your temples and massage them in deep circular upwards motions. The next exercise is going to stretch out the temple muscles. Place base of your palms on your temples, pulling the skin upwards, and open and close your mouth 10 to 15 times. While doing the exercise, you will feel how the temple muscle is stretching under your palms. Now move on to the massage of chewing muscle. Put your fingers on the chewing muscles and massage it in circular motions, keeping your mouth half open. Now we're going to do an exercise for loosening and stretching of the chewing muscles. Tap your fingers along the lower jawline and in deep motion, move them upwards, going deep into the chewing muscle, and slowly open your mouth. Your fingers will be sliding up the muscle, elongating it. And now move on to massaging the wings of your nose, slowly moving upwards. In order to elongate the lateral nose muscle as much as possible, open your mouth and form an O shape with your lips. Now move on to your lips. Grab your lips between your pointing fingers and massage them between each other. The next exercise is against purse string wrinkles. Roll your lips around your teeth. With your hands, keep your skin to prevent any unwanted folds and roll your lips out. Following up with the loosening exercise. Now stretching out the depressor muscles. Place the fingers in the place of their attachment, tap them deep into the tissue, and slowly open your mouth, letting the fingers slide upwards along the muscle. For this exercise, you can apply a tiny bit of face cream, let it absorb, and after that do the exercise. Now it's crucial to relax the chin muscle, bring the chin into the right position, and smooth out the skin on your chin. For that, we're going to do several exercises, starting off by massaging your chin, which looks like rubbing from the first side. Grab the tissues of your chin in a fold and rub them between your fingers. After that, grab your chin between your fingers, tap your pointing fingers deep into the tissue, and slowly slide them down along the muscle, elongating it. The next exercise for cheekbone muscles is taken from the face gymnastics. Roll your lips around your teeth. Keep your hands on the skin in order to prevent unwanted wrinkles. And pull corners of your lips up, smiling. You should do 20 repetitions. After that, you're going to work on your cheekbone muscles length. Put base of your palm on the cheekbone, lifting all the tissues up, and form an O shape with your mouth, feeling how the cheekbone muscles are stretching out. Repeat 10 times. And now repeat the previous exercise again. Roll your lips around your teeth. With your hands, keep the skin from unwanted wrinkles and smile, pulling corners of your lips up. Now again the elongating exercise, placing base of your palm on your cheekbones, pulling the tissues upwards and forming an oval shape with your mouth. Now exercising the cheek muscles. Get some air into your mouth, keeping one hand on your lips and with the other hand clapping on your cheek one at a time. After that, get some air into your mouth, keeping your fingers on your lips, and move this air from one cheek to another. This complex you can do every day for a week, and after that, move on to doing it 2 to 3 times a week. If you're particularly interested in a specific zone, you can always go back to the video covering that muscle and go through all the exercises for that muscle. If you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.